Hold on. Oh, why do I keep hurting my bird? Thanks. God, stop it! I can't even get that.
She sounds British, don't she?
Move! Oh God, I got you!
Ah! You got me? Yeah. Oh, just saw a bunny. See, it's like a freaking river. Isn't this cool looking? This is cool looking. Uh-huh.
This is on our neighbor's property. Dawn. He owns a ranch with a bunch of horses. And so, it's been raining for like, how many hours now?
Since I woke up.
Which was?
Noon, but it's probably raining before then.
Probably, what, estimate of 8 o'clock in the morning?
I know you can't see it, but right up here there's like a whole set of bars he puts up to keep the horses in, and beyond that there's like a whole acre, another set of bars, and this water has traveled through there, past there, and into the woods way back there. You can see them there.
Yeah, it's like a creek.
Seriously.
Should we take him a tour, Mackenzie?
I think that's big of enough tour.
I don't think so.
Okay, well then hop in the river.
Why do I have to hop in the river?
So I'm filming, that's why.
Well, I'm filming too.
Okay, I'll do you and you do me.
Well, we both can be like walking.
Hold on, let me go first because I don't know how deep it is.
Okay. Simbo.
Stay! Hot! Okay. Okay. Okay.
How deep is it?
A couple of feet deep.
Okay. Okay.
Do you see me? I stand here.
Yeah. Oh God. Now, going past the coast of things, I don't know if there's,
She's not British. We're in America and Oklahoma, okay? Isn't that adorable sight? Oh, she's giving a bloody tour. Okay, you can probably see from here now. Don't stop me! And there's some horses. But like I told you, set of bars way past the water over there and into the woods, all the way back to there.